Now that you know it's possible to pull data from one system to another through integration, suppose you have data that you want to access, but not necessarily stored in another system. Imagine you had access to customer accounts as a dynamic CRM user, but you needed to see the sales orders in Business Central. It makes sense that you want customer data in both, and that would be easily managed by integrations. Sales orders, on the other hand, may only be needed in one accounting system. Today I'm going to show you an overview of Popdock. With Popdock, you can create a widget that will query data, which in turn can be embedded elsewhere. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is on the Business Central side here. We had some customers that we had integrated earlier, 10,000 through 50,000. I'll show you the CRM side. This is a modified version just so we show accounts, and that's all we're going to show. But as you can see, we have those accounts that we brought in. Now if I go back over to Business Central, we're going to look at the sales orders. And you'll see there's a couple in there, 2 for that account, customer and 1 for each for these ones. Now what we want to do is we want to show that on here somehow. We're going to use Popdock to do that. Now the first thing you have to do is you're going to have to set up a connector. I click connectors, and you can see I already have one, but I'll just show you a little bit here. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that we can connect to. What we wanted is Business Central, so we click Business Central. And you're going to have to enter a couple credentials here, but once you do that, you'll have your connector set up. Now, just to show you the connector works, I'm just going to make a little new tab here, and we'll just type sales orders. And there it shows up right away. You click that, and you choose your company, and we'll click add, and this will create a new tab in Popdock. And there's all our sales orders. We're not going to use that today, but I just wanted to show you that. We're actually going to create a widget. Now I already have one set up here, but I'll just show you what's needed there. Click into it. And you just name it, choose the list, choose the connector that you created previously, company, and what you want to show, which is sales orders. And I click preview, and this should pull back everything just like you saw in the tab. So that's all 4 sales orders, and there's our 4 sales orders. The one extra thing that's added here is the account. This is the parameter. We want to be able to pull back all the sales orders for each customer specifically. We don't want to pull them all back for each customer. So that's set up there. Now what you're going to do is we're going to embed this into the form here. Now I'm not going to show you this because it's a little bit more involved, but I'll just show you the end result. So we knew that Adatum Corporation had 2. What I did here is I changed the form and I added this new tab, Invoices. And this is just embedded Popdock. So Popdock takes care of everything, and it knew to send 10,000 over, and here's the results from 10,000. The other ones that we have are School of Fine Arts and Alpine. So Alpine should have 1. And there it is. Tray Research, it didn't have any, so we shouldn't have any results here. Pulls back, and no records found. I'm going to go back to Popdock and show the connectors here, because I think this is where Popdock shines. You can see about 50 out of the box connectors here. There's major databases like SQL Server, MySQL, Postgres, social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and there's other accounting and CRM systems. There's even a REST API connector to get the rest. Thanks for taking the time to watch today. If you'd like to learn more about Popdock, contact us at Profit. Have a great day.